The Federal Reserve Bank has announced through its website that it will narrow the timing of the launch of FedCoin, a central bank digital currency, also known as CBDC. The project is called the FedNow service. The instant payment service will be launched in the middle of 2023, and the Federal Reserve is currently carrying out a pilot test. Over 120 firms have joined the launch of the pilot program. These firms will be able to allow businesses and consumers to transact instantly and securely. They will also have more flexibility and liquidity for time-sensitive transactions. They will access this via the FedLine network, which is already serving over 10,000 financial institutions. FedNow will provide the same transaction speed as stablecoins, but users' funds will have the backing of the U.S. government. Also, users will not be required to convert their funds into other digital assets that may not have the same guarantee as FedCoin. Basically, if anything happens to the FedNow network that results in losses, all the government has to do is vote to issue new debt to reimburse consumers. FedNow is expected to upgrade the current financial infrastructure to accommodate 24/7 operations. It is a far cry from traditional banking systems where businesses or consumers have to do their transactions during working hours, where staff have to process all transactions manually, and wait times often last days. The interface is similar to that of digital assets and open Web3 protocols. Experts believe FedCoin and FedNow could reduce people's needs for payday loans, since they no longer need to wait for a check to clear. Additionally, businesses can easily make payments to suppliers, and consumers will enjoy added convenience at points of sale. The faster settlements are also expected to help intraday and overnight credit facilities reduce systemic debt risks. The Fed first announced its plan to create instant payment offerings in August 2020 by then Fed Board Governor Lael Brainard. She made this announcement in response to the COVID-19 pandemic and the need for a resilient instant payment system that came with lockdown restrictions. According to Brainard, FedNow will be a neutral platform where banks can partner with other companies to offer consumers and businesses much more innovative services. She referenced the impact of the Facebook-linked Libra stablecoin when she talked about her belief that it raises fundamental questions about private money regulation, legality, and its potential economic implications. In the central bank's press release, Ken Montgomery, FedNow Service Program Executive, said the Fed is making this move now because the benefits of instant payments are significant to consumers and businesses. Hence, any financial institution that wants to remain relevant has to integrate an instant payment service into its offerings. So, will FedNow and the launch of FedCoin revolutionize traditional banking and finance? Stay tuned to see. Cheers.